index of 8 core industries measures the production performance of 8 key sectors that drive India's industrial growth, including coal, steel, electricity, and refined products. These core industries are significant as they contribute 40.27% to the IIP and influence overall economic activity and other industries. The Index of Industrial Production IIP complements the Index of 8 core industries by tracking short-term changes in the volume of production across manufacturing, mining, and electricity sectors. Together, the ICI and IIP provide a clear picture of industrial trends and economic health in India. The 8 core industries. The 8 core industries are considered drivers of industrial growth due to their large contribution to economic activity. These industries collectively account for 40.27% of the weight of the item in the Index of Industrial Production IIP. Refinery products, electricity, steel, coal, crude oil, natural gas, cement, fertilizers. Index of 8 core industries. The weightage of the 8 core industry in the ICI indicates their relative contribution to overall industrial production, with refinery products having the highest weightage 28.04% and fertilizer the lowest 2.63%. These weights help assess the impact of each sector on the economy. Significance of the 8 core industries in India. The 8 core industries are considered the backbone of India's industrial sector, as they have a direct impact on overall economic growth and the industrial output. These industries form the backbone of India's industrial sector. They contribute 40.27% to the Index of Industrial Production. Their performance acts as a leading indicator of economic health. Growth in these sectors support employment, energy supply, and manufacturing. They have a major influence on other industries in the economy. Performance impact GDP growth, inflation, and trade balance. About Index of Industrial Production IIP. The Index of Industrial Production IIP is an economic indicator that measures the short-term changes in the volume of production of a basket of industrial goods in India. It reflects the performance of the industrial sector, which includes manufacturing, mining, and electricity. Compiled by Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Government of India. Base year 2011-12, revised from earlier 2004 and 5. Sectors covered: mining, manufacturing, and electricity. Purpose: to monitor industrial performance, inform policy decisions, and act as a leading indicator of economic activity. Release frequency: monthly with a 1-month lag. Use in economy: help in analyzing sectoral growth, inflation trends, and overall industrial development.